Hello, today I have a 2013 Vauxhall Astra. I done the service. Today I'm going to show how to reset service light for this car. See, when you start the car, service vehicle soon, and it said oil change. And I'm going to show you how to reset this light. It's very easy. First, need to switch off the car, then the ignition on, like a first, second one. Now ignition on, then after that there is the in this stick, like this is the signal indicator. When you press menu here, press once menu, then again another time press menu. Now it's coming remain oil life 0. Then after that you have to press this side one, press once. Then if you press once, are you sure that you won't reset? Then after that there is this arrow up and down. Press up arrow, it's coming to the yes. Then again press that side button, yes. Then when you press that one, see it's changing like 100% oil life remaining. Now after that, switch off the car and start the car. Right, now I'm going to the standard one. Yeah, that's it. Now oil light gone. That means make sure first do the service, then after that you can using this menu button and follow up that step. You can reset service light easily. Thank you very much. Thanks for looking us. Please subscribe us. Thank you.